My son just got this next door at Gamestop. We are at the Brooklyn Pizza in Goldsboro, North Carolina. Just sat down. I'm excited. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen inside this box right here. And I'm gonna open it right now. It's a Marvel exclusive only, GameStop only box.
Be careful when opening the box.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at this. I don't know if I'm more excited than you, or if you're more excited than me. I'm really excited.
Be careful when opening it up.
I'll be careful opening it. I'll be careful opening it. Whoa. I haven't looked at it yet. I have not looked at it yet. Guess what you got?
What'd I get? The Deadpool exclusive GameStop
It's an
gamer.
exclusive Deadpool. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
That's insane.
Oh my.
You've
Look
been
at the
looking for that
little
one
one.
for so long.
Look at the little one. You gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me. Look at that. Look at that. And here is the man of the hour. This is the man of the hour. It's Deadpool. It's an exclusive.
It's actually really cool.
It's really cool.
I like it a lot.
I'm glad you got this one. I've enjoyed opening it. Thank you.